Hello, everybody. I am Katie, and I will be teaching you how to use Microsoft Forms today. So after you log in to your Office 365 account and then go to Apps, it should look like this. So then you click New Form. So this is the title of what yours is going to be. So for mine, I'm going to put Reflection, because an art, which is my endorsement, am mostly going to be using this for self-reflections. And then for the descriptions, the kids know what it's about. You can put assess how the first project went. All right, so then that is your main thing. And then to add questions, you press add new. Then you can do multiple choice, text, reading, or date. So let's start with the multiple choice. So for multiple choice, maybe they had to choose a particular artist to make their project about. So let's do, which artist did you choose? Do option one, Duchamp. Say it was Marcel Duchamp versus Van Gogh. Then you can add another option. So this one is one where they can type in the option. And then you can keep clicking add options until you get as many as you want. Let's say that they were allowed to choose more than one. You can press multiple answers. And you can click that. And I'm going to require them to answer so that they can't skip over a question. So that's over here. Then I want to add another one. So I'm going to press add new. I'm going to do text. Then I'm going to say, would you do this project again? Why or why not? So this is kind of more for me to gauge if they enjoyed the first project. And that's going to be more than just this one text answer. So I'm going to go down here and click the button for long answer. All right, so the last one that I want to show you how to use that's relevant for art teachers is the rating. So I'm going to press add new. I'm going to do rating. So let's say the question is, would you recommend this project? Say it's a new project. I don't know if the kids like it. So I want to know if they would recommend doing this again. So then there's rating symbols. You can do either a star or the number. I'm going to do the star. And then you have different numbers to choose from. And the numbers go all the way up to 10. So let's say I make it out of 10 stars. I probably wouldn't in actuality, but let's say I do. So then I have all of these. And now let's say I want to preview it. So I press preview at the top. And this is what kids see. Then you can click through and test it out and press submit. And oh, yay, when they press submit, they get a response that says that they submitted it. So you know that it all works. And yeah, that is how you use Microsoft Office 365. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.